Hello everyone, this is Reshma Nanadikar and I have completed my Master of Engineering in computer engineering specialization with machine learning. I have 4+ years of experience in training field and 1+ year in IT field. I can conduct trainings on many technologies like Python plus Django, AWS, machine learning and data science. In this Django framework course, we are going to cover all the things which are required for real-time project, from basic to advanced topics. In this, we are going to cover the fundamentals of framework, MVT model, forms, database interaction, using models, real-time projects, session management, authorization, authentication, including a real-time project. If you guys you don't have any prior knowledge about the web framework, you don't worry about this. I am going to cover all the things which are required for the web framework, and you guys don't worry about the knowledge. I will give you knowledge that you will be expert in this domain. Thank you and register for the course.